three colors of the pipe curler that you're gonna see. So yeah, so this is how it looks like around my hair. So I'll show you here, here, and that's the front. So I keep looking on this side because I have the big huge mirror, and that's why I can see the back of this camera. So I'm gonna show you. See, this is the type that the part that had the loop, and the other one that's straight. I'm not sure if I can take it out without unraveling anything. So I'll show you close up what it looks like. Alright, not too bad. So let's continue. Alright, so this is my hair now, and you can see the color. I changed the color like I said earlier. I like it. It's like very tiny curls. I don't know if I should play with it a little bit more. This one, I guess this side is longer than this side. I don't know if I could put some pins and like that, or so I'm probably gonna insert some pictures at the end once I figure out exactly what to do. I like it like that. I'm probably gonna try it with a pin. So I'm probably gonna pin it to this side like so. I feel like I have a new haircut all over again. But I really enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna leave it like that for now, and then play with the curls further on. But I do love it. But it's a pipe cleaner that you can find it at Walmart or the dollar store or just anywhere, just for a few bucks, and you can reuse them. So the way that I fold them, I didn't fold it in half because as my hair is gonna grow longer and I'm probably gonna revisit it, I'm gonna reuse the same pipe cleaner that I bought instead of buying new ones, like, and then spending extra money. So I do enjoy the hairstyle. I do like it a lot, and yeah, that's about it for me. But I like it. It reminds me of like Betty Boop. If you remember that actress, if you remember the cartoon Betty Boop, then you know this is what it reminds me of. And yeah, I do enjoy it, and yeah, it gives me like a different face for some reason, so I can stop looking at myself right now. Yeah, that's it for me. If anything, you know, give a thumbs up so you can show you girls some love, and also subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week as much as possible, and also leave a comment if there's anything that you would like to know. Have you ever tried a pipe cleaner, or have you ever tried any other method to curl your locks or your natural hair? So let me know, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.